Hey everybody, I made some minor improvements that had some good results on the cooling effect of this DIY air conditioner. As you can see, there's a sort of pipe that I put on the front of the fan. You can find this sort of fan plus pipe combination on many computer cases, just as an idea, but you can use anything you want. This is for directing the air that comes out. Otherwise, most part of the air will go in this direction and in this direction, but we want it to go straight to the man. And on the other hand, what I did, I just put a simple book on the box, because I have this notch in here and I don't want it to suck air here or lose air here. We have one hole here on the back and on the other side. These are good things. Now, as you can see, there are 28 degrees Celsius, and I will put the sensor here. And let's start. Let's see what do we get. So we have 2 degrees in the first second. 2.5, almost 3 degrees difference. Three and a half. Still going down. The noise that you hear is from the vibration that makes the sensor move in that pipe. Otherwise, it's quite okay. And let us not forget that those expensive air conditioners also make some noise in there. So we have now 3.6 degrees Celsius difference. So it's approximately 3.5 degrees Celsius difference. Now this difference will be a little bit smaller after a few minutes, but it's quite steady. At noon I measured 2.5 degrees Celsius difference for almost an hour, so it's quite reliable. And of course, if you want a bigger difference and to last much longer, then you will make a bigger box with much more water in it. I'm just using 5 liters of water at this very moment, so it's not that much. And some people may complain about the heaviness of this box, but just think about how much usual air conditioner does weight. And in this box, if you want, you can just take the water out of the bottles, pour it somewhere, and you have only a few grams. Now, I've been criticized by some people that they said that okay, 2 or 3 degrees Celsius difference is nothing for me, but trust me, if it wouldn't make any sense, then I wouldn't just use it. Okay, so as you can see, we have a steady 3.5 degrees Celsius difference between environmental temperature and air blown out from the box. And in case you wonder if I cheated or I put ice or something, no, I will show you now that there's still usual cold water from the tap that is around 12-15 degrees Celsius. So it's simple water, and it's not water taken from the refrigerator. It's not at 4 degrees, 2 degrees or something. It's from the tap, and that's it. Maybe in the future I will make an experiment to see what happens when you fill the box with ice. But I suppose that the difference will be much more dramatic. Until then, best regards. Bye bye.